Setting up the Uroflow sensor. Prepare the sensor. Turn the sensor upside down. Remove the screw and insert it into the hole above it. Attach the sensor cable. Connect the sensor cable, ensuring the notch on the connector is at the top. Guide the wire through the notch present on the body of the sensor. Mount the sensor on the stand. Remove the 2 screws from the bottom of the sensor. Take the stand with 2 holes and place the sensor onto it. Align the holes and fix the screws tightly to secure the sensor. Ensure the sticker side is facing forward and the sensor cable exits from the back. Complete the setup. Place the jar on top of the sensor. Insert the funnel into the ring.